back to Craft Kingdom. This is Urja, and so Christmas is approaching, and so now we'll be making videos for Christmas. So in this video we'll be making 3D snowmans of paper. They are super cute, so let's get started. So guys, first of all, take a rectangle and fold it in half. You have to fold it the exact way like we did it in our Diwali Diya video, and then you have to again fold it in half, and then from the backwards you have to fold it to the center from both the sides, and one more time. Now you just open it, and then you have to fold it back and forth, and then you fold it in half nicely so no gap is there in between and it is all in half. And then you just have to take glue and glue it so it forms a semicircle nicely so it sticks properly together. It open up like a fan but in a sort of a semicircle way. Now keep it aside and take one more rectangle of the same size and repeat the same process once again. Now you sometimes a little bit of paper is left which cannot be folded, so you just trim that off. In this time we have to cut off a little bit because this time it's going to be the head of the snowman, so it has to be a little bit smaller, so we have cut it. And now we just have to fold it back and forth, fold it in half and glue it once again. Two are of the small size which we have cut and two are the bigger. Now you just have to fold them and paste them together, the bigger ones together and the smaller ones together, and now you just paste them into a circle. Now they have I have pasted them into circle and they have dried. So now we are just gonna paste these accessories, eyes, nose, the buttons, caps and etc. So let's paste them nicely. But first of all we have to stick our two head and the body of the snowman together. So you have to make them together so that one it fits another one. You can either overlap the head or you can either overlap the body, and you have to nicely fit it so that we can staple it. After you have done this, you just flip it over and staple it nicely so that it gets stick together. Now they are stapled together. You flip it over and they're joined together. They're looking pretty. Now it's time to put on paste the accessories of the hat, eyes, nose, and the button. Snowmans are ready. They're pretty cute. So I made two of these. Here they are. And one is blue, one is pink. You can see on their hats. And they're pretty cute. You can just hang them on your wall. And I like them. And if you want you can make a different kind of hat, or you can even make them wear a muffler if you want. And you can even, like, if I show you properly, if you hold it over here, it is like this thing moves, so it's like wibbly wobbly. So if you like this video, share the video, subscribe to Craft Kingdom, and see you next time. Till then, goodbye.